Today's Ask the Expert segment is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. It's a clinic that's open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Andrew Reinhardt from Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks for being here with us today.
Hello, good to see you. Thanks for having me.
You too, Andrew. And today we're talking about the latest breakthrough in technology for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
Well, that's right. A man struggling with ED typically has had the pill for 30 years. We know that technology is changing pretty much every aspect of our life. It's now changing how we treat erectile dysfunction. Pineview Medical Clinic uses a technology called acoustic wave therapy. Now, this is a breakthrough. This is what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, which causes those blood vessels clinically to open up and expand. There you can see basically what erectile dysfunction looks like on the left, what our treatments can do on the right. Here's what I'd say, guys, you will be amazed what can happen in the bedroom when we get your blood flowing properly, when we repair the blood vessels, and thank goodness can get you off of the pill.
And it's fascinating what technology can do. I mean, Andrew, this shockwave therapy, it's needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free, right?
That's exactly right. And I'm yet to meet a man that wants to use any of those three things for the erectile dysfunction. The pills cause the side effects. The needles are very invasive and come with significant side effects. There's surgery, which has significant downtime and is expensive. And a lot of times a man taking the pill, he's taking that for the rest of his life. He's a prisoner to the process. Our technology goes to the root cause of the problem, gets the blood flowing naturally so that you shouldn't need to have to take the pill.
This procedure is backed by so many different studies and publications. What are some of those, Andrew?
That's right. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, you can read now approaching 60 third-party clinical studies. One of the biggest universities in the world has vetted our technology, one of the biggest hospitals in America. They have called it safe and effective. They said that it leads to a clinical increase in blood flow. Erectile dysfunction or not, who doesn't want more blood flow in the bedroom? The science is definitely sound.
Well, the science is there, and we know that ED is a serious medical condition, but there's hope. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available on the marketplace.
Well, the big one is we're eliminating side effects. That is the reason so many men are taking this treatment. They're sick of the headaches. But here's the other thing. Pills and injections treat the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Our treatment goes to the root cause, the damaged blood vessels, the restricted blood flow. So that's the big difference. You go through a few of these 10-minute sessions. That's it. That's all you should need. It can create a long-lasting result so that you don't have to continue to just put a Band-Aid on the problem.
Well, Andrew, I love that y'all are getting down to the root cause. There's no pills, there's no invasive injections or surgery. It's all pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how the technology actually works.
Here's the key term, neovascularization. This technology creates neovascularization. It kind of is like what we do to a muscle in the gym. We agitate it a little bit, build it up stronger. That's what we're doing to your blood vessels. And the end result is that when the timing is right in the bedroom, the blood can flow naturally. Now, you're not going to feel this. There's no pain. There's no recovery time. This is the lunch break treatment. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal.
I love that. Neovascularization. Do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today that could use this neovascularization or someone that they know?
Certainly. If you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, if you're ready to finally regain your love life, get your phone ready. Call that number on your screen. Over the next minute before this segment ends, the exam, the assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound will be totally free. You'll get a gift that can produce pretty immediate results in the bedroom. You'll love that. This is worth hundreds of dollars. Call 314-530-7777 right now, and it's all totally free.
Well, hundreds of dollars of treatment for the free $99. We'll make sure you have access to all of that information from Pineview Medical Clinic on our website at studiostl.tv.